Create RPA flows. RPA flows are the workflows you build to automate your tasks. To create a flow, log into your account and go to the My Flows page. From there, click the Create button and then click Create Flow. Next, you'll need to fill in a few details, like the flow name and a description of what the flow does. You can even organize it into a folder by using an existing one or creating a new one. Then you'll pick the RPA agent for your flow. This step is important because you need to pick the machine you want the flow to run on. You can create a new agent from here or choose from the list of existing RPA agents in your organization. Once you've made your selection, click Create to create your RPA flow. Now you'll see the Builder screen. This is where you build all your workflows. The very first step is to configure or set the trigger for your workflow. Triggers are the specific events that will kickstart your workflow into action. We'll learn how to configure all these different types of triggers in our upcoming lessons.